Hello, everyone. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I did want to go ahead and give you guys an update about this week and things we have got going on. The first thing I wanted to talk about is midterms. I'm trying not to schedule anybody for today or tomorrow, just to give you guys a little bit more time to prepare. We do have some slots on Wednesday and Thursday. If you haven't done so yet, please contact me as soon as possible through email as requested to confirm our appointment time for the midterms that are going to be this week, okay? You have your video here explaining the oral midterms and as well the study guide through PDF that you guys received. So please make sure that you're doing that. As well, we're going to go to content and see what are our due dates for this week. What do we have coming up? So we're getting into Module 3. I just opened up as well Module 4 for you guys. So make this a little bit bigger so we can see, of course, what we've got going on. Okay, so this week, as I said, we've got our midterms, our oral exams. Then on the 20th, this Wednesday, you guys will submit your composition, your final draft of your composition. And I've already sent you guys the feedback for those, for what you turned in via quizzes. Then on this coming Wednesday and Sunday, you guys do have your VHL activities, and we'll go ahead and look and see what those are. Following that, we have the next oral presentation, which is due in about 10 days, the 27th of June, and the second composition rough draft. So let me go ahead and show you guys where you're going to be turning in your final draft. It'll be due here, composition 1 final draft, due June 20th at 11:59, okay? So that's when you guys will be able to, that's when you guys have to turn it in. This is the place that you turn it in. So I won't be looking anywhere else. Don't turn it in anywhere else because this is the place to do it. Composition 1 final draft, okay? And let's go ahead and check out VHL and see what we have due this week. Okay, we've got these items. Now we're moving into Module 3, Lesson 3. So you guys will be completing some vocab tutorials, descriptive adjectives, and then I think the following week, due this Sunday, we start moving on to ER and IR verbs in the present tense. Okay, so these are the activities that we have due. You will also have some partner dialogues due for, here we are, for this coming Sunday, okay? So those are things that we have to get done. Here on the 20th, you have to turn in your final composition as well as the VHL activities. Then on the 24th, you have to turn in the VHL activities and the partner dialogues. So if you guys have any questions about that, please let me know. I am updating all the grades tonight, so you guys should be able to see those soon. But please, if you haven't done so already, send me an email copying your partner so that I can schedule you guys for the midterm, okay? And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know.